Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am actually not doing a makeup tutorial today. I am actually going to go get my lips injected today. I have been thinking about doing this for quite a while, so I'm pretty excited about it. About an hour before my appointment, so I have to stick some cream on my lips so they are numb. So I am just coming on here just to kind of say, hey, this is what I'm doing. How you guys listening in my upcoming videos. Just wanted to say, hey, this is what I did. It's my own body. I've been through a lot of stuff in my past. I had cancer. I just want to boost my confidence. I already got the microblading done and I really love it. So I'm going to be doing this today. Just wanted to fix it. My lips are a little bit crooked. You can kind of see like this one is a little bit higher and this one's lower and this one kind of like sticks in a little bit and this one's out. So I just want to make them just a little bit bigger. So I'm going to a place in Pewaukee. I will keep you guys posted on what the healing process is. Probably not going to be very bad. From all like the research that I've been looking at, it's kind of like videos that I've been watching, it seems like it's not too bad. You know, going to do their normal daily stuff after the fact, maybe just with their lips a little bit smaller. I've been taking arnica already for about a week, just taking it, and that will help with the bruising after as well. Wearing any makeup today, that's the reason why. Who knows, maybe I'll actually get some Botox done too. I'll see you guys a little bit later. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing my first update. My appointment was at 10:30 this morning and it is now 7:37 at night. So this is my first update. I do have some lip balm on my lips from Bite, the agave lip balm, and this is what they look like. I'll zoom in just a little bit more so you can kind of see a little bit better. All right, you can see a little bit of bruising right here and down here, a little bit up here. Definitely a really big change, and they definitely are actually more symmetrical. They actually are even. See how these things look in a couple days as well. They do hurt just a little bit, pretty tender. Nothing that's unbearable. Be with it, I can eat, I can drink, and I can do anything else. If I was asked to do it again, yes, I would do it again. I also got Botox done as well through here, so I'm not gonna try scrunching too much, but these will go away. It's pretty fresh. I would do this again, and if anybody asked, I definitely would recommend it. It's your own body. If you want to do something different about it, you want to change it, then it's your choice. I wouldn't tell you no. I really like it so far. I'm wondering to see what it's gonna look like when it heals a little bit more, when the swelling goes down, but this is what it looks like. So I will check in with you guys tomorrow morning to let you guys know how I feel tomorrow. If anybody asks me on a pain scale 0 to 10, I would probably give it about a 3.5. It's not too unbearable. I just take the arnica. I haven't had any issues. I am pretty happy so far. I will talk to you guys tomorrow morning. All right, see you guys later. Have a great night. Bye. Good morning guys, this is almost a 24-hour update on my lips. I can actually, pucker them together. I actually have feeling in them and they do not actually hurt today. I am pretty happy about that. This is Zoe, for anybody that hasn't really seen her before. She's a Chihuahua. She was just walking in here, so I figured I'd pick her up. So I have a little bit of bruising here and a little bit of bruising here and then just a little bit up here. Nothing painful at all. You can go like this. And I actually have all my feeling back. They definitely look awesome. I love them a lot. I went to Wisconsin Vein Medi Spa in Pewaukee and they were actually really nice. The nurse practitioner that actually did this was really, really nice. She was very respectable and she asked me questions, just wanted to know how I felt, how I wanted to look, all different things that you would actually hope for somebody to actually do, but not everybody actually does. If you guys don't notice, for the people that actually are followers on my channel, you'll notice that my camera is different. Brody got me a camera for Christmas, so I'm pretty excited about it to see how everything turns out when I edit this video. One of the aftercares for doing the lip injections is to make sure that your lips are moisturized with a balm. So I've been using this agave lip balm from Bite Beauty. I got this from Sephora. This stuff works really, really well. This is my Sunday, just doing a morning checkup, and I did a little bit of Botox right here as well. We'll see how that looks in the next couple weeks. Depending on how everything goes, maybe I'll try filming a tutorial a little bit later on. I'm gonna do some errands, go eat some breakfast. I will see you guys a little bit later. Thanks guys, see you guys later. Bye. Morning guys, this is my last day for an update, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I am still extremely happy with the lip injections and the Botox that I got done. I would not change it for the world. It is the 1st of 2018. Happy New Year everybody. I just wanted to let you guys know that the swelling has gone down tremendously. I can close my lips, I can touch my lips, and they don't hurt. The bruising has gone down a lot as well. My forehead looks like nothing ever happened. I can kind of frown. I'm not going to do it too much. Waiting about 2 weeks. It says 1 to 2 weeks for it to take full effect. I am 100% happy with everything. I'll zoom you in so you can kind of see my lips a little bit better. I've been kind of put a couple sneak peeks on my Instagram page. Hopefully for everybody that's actually been following actually has seen that. As you can see, there's a bruise right here and a little bruise right here, and then just a little one right there, and I can smile. It was not painful. Felt when I got the lips injected was just a little needle, just a little poke, and it lasted for about a second and a half, and it went away. I had JUVEDERM injections, and that has a lidocaine in it. I'm sorry that I didn't really smile yesterday because it was a little bit harder for me to smile. So today I can actually have all my face movements. It's pretty exciting. And I did put some lipstick on last night, try them out to see what everything looked like. I posted a picture on my Instagram. This is what everything looks like. I don't think that they're gonna go down any more than this. She said just the first day is going to be the biggest, and then they're pretty much going to be what they are. They say it's going to last between 6 months and 12 months. She said with the JUVEDERM that it's probably going to last more towards the 12 months. And on my forehead for the Botox, you can just see a little bit. You don't see any swelling or anything, so I'm pretty excited about that. I've already had people asking me questions of, did it hurt? How long is it going to last? And stuff like that. Costing, everybody's going to cost a little bit different. If you ever want to go in, and I'll leave their information in the description bar below. You can contact them. They're really nice over there. Everyone's very professional, really nice people. So I don't have any issues with them. So I'll be going back there again. And they do a lot of other services as well. I'll zoom in just a little bit more so you can see my lips more. And then I am going to try to edit this and get this up today. They really didn't have to do too much in the bottom lip. It was more of the upper because this side was folded in down here. So that's why you can see all the extra bruising, because there's a couple extras areas in here. They had to put a little bit more extra, so they did it in here and through here just to make them even, because my lips aren't even. They won't hurt. They feel fine. No pain. So this, guys, concludes my update for you guys. I'll be posting more pictures on my Instagram. If you guys want a little bit of a tour, because you can see my backdrop that I do have new pictures and things going on all the time. If you guys ever want to see anything else, just let me know. I do have a couple of photos on this back wall. Trying to update it and just trying to make everything better. Brody's been helping me and picking things out, so I'm pretty happy about that. I'm happy that he actually cares, and I love that. I hope you guys have a wonderful New Year's Day. I will see you guys in the next one. If you guys want to leave me any comments below for anything that you do want to see next, leave me any comments in the comments below. I appreciate, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.